AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, in a real sense, is right now at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP certainly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which generally is very critical. AMP records commonly descending development today, which certainly shows that AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.005, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. 13 July 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually for the most part. Sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is transient cost expectation for AMP? Basically, is AMP a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which for the most part is very critical. Yet, prior to jumping especially profound into the AMP specialized examination, basically let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing how AMP support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416 in a sort of significant manner. The truly absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $31,315,169,849, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, showing how 13 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly, generally sought clarification on some things facts. What for the most part is transient cost expectation for AMP? By and large is AMP an especially wise venture, which for the most part is very critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which really is genuinely huge. These occasions really show that the market explicitly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for commonly present moment. All things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking, right now an essentially broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So 13 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What generally is most certainly momentary cost expectation for AMP? Especially is AMP a kind of wise speculation, which explicitly is very huge. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, genuinely further appearance how 13 July 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for AMP? Explicitly is AMP a genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Support really is a level at which purchasers generally become commonly more certainly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in an in every practical sense, huge way. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants essentially become move especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the AMP specialized examination in a real sense, let us explicitly discuss the all things considered current economic situations, showing how AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely huge. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP really is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, showing how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.1 and at present exchanging at 47 cents. In an especially huge manner, one-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while certainly all out, market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars. So similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors for the most part become move truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the AMP specialized examination, truly let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing how AMP support and opposition levels and so on in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. There in a real sense are practically 42,227,702,186 generally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing that there fundamentally are practically 42,227,702,186. Basically are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which basically is genuinely huge. AMP value investigation. AMP cost examination for 13 July 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of underneath, which essentially is genuinely huge. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX-RSI moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving all things considered, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the AMP. Or so they basically thought, while AMP's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange genuinely signal certainly is all things considered conceivable at this reach in a sort of enormous manner. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, so AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 especially is right